people. So yesterday was a bit of a vlog disaster. I didn't actually... Basically, on Saturday I uploaded my footage. On Sunday I tried to upload the footage and start editing Saturdays, and basically ran out my hard disk on my desktop PC, run out of disk space. Now I do have a laptop, but it's not that powerful, and I do have a work laptop, and I wouldn't do this on work laptop because I wouldn't. So I had to basically either spend the time clearing down the space, which would mean going through files, deciding what to delete, or buy an external hard drive. So I bought an external hard drive and was able to edit the vlog. So basically yesterday there is no vlog, which you'll have already known because we'll jump from Sunday to Tuesday. But basically the vlog, basically what I did was work most of the day, become overwhelmed and get a little bit anxious about how much stuff that I've got to do. Learned some more stuff about myself, and did some washing, did some ironing, so my husband doesn't have to go to work naked. And I did something else, washing, ironing. Well, I worked most of the day. See, this is why I'm vlogging, because I don't know what I did. Excuse me. Don't know what I did every day. So I worked most of the day, ordered some online presents, did some washing or laundry, did some ironing. Oh, tidied up upstairs because the landing was a bomb site. There was stuff sort of accumulating and it was overwhelming me. With this downstairs being a mess, upstairs can't be a mess as well. Yeah, we know about the bedroom, you know, the Monica closet bedroom. I've got no washing line at the moment because it was taken down when this was built. So I've got some jumpers hanging in here, these to dry. I told you I did some laundry yesterday. So and that's what I did yesterday. Yesterday afternoon, I potted around a little bit, tidied up upstairs, changed the beds, and basically made the environment that I have got control of, cleaner and tidier to make me feel less overwhelmed. And then we had dinner, and I actually started making a to-do list in my planner because I don't like this feeling of being overwhelmed. So anyway, that's where we are. It's Tuesday morning. It's about 10:30, I think. Yeah, coming up to 10:30. I have basically, the disk has arrived, I've plugged it in, I've cleared off the stuff, and I've edited Saturday's vlog. That's just being uploaded. You know, the funniest thing is, I watch vlogs and people go, yeah, I'm just editing a video, And I think, is that all you've got in your life? Really? It takes up more time than you think. And I've heard vloggers say that as well. So, yeah, it's really hard at the moment trying to do all what I've got to do and adding the vlog in. Why am I adding the vlog in? To be accountable. And I'm learning stuff. It's good, it's all good. So I've uploaded the vlog, it's uploading. I packed a couple of eBay parcels, getting on top of that. I've got to work this afternoon at 3 o'clock, I've got a meeting, which I'm not going into the office for, because I don't usually go in on Tuesdays. Plus I'm in the painting gear, because right now I intend to do the third coat on the skirting board, so the skirting boards are finished, so my husband can do the second coat, third, on the walls, so that when it's all done for when the builder, Tyler, comes tomorrow. So all of this needs to come out of here tonight, so this room is swept and clean and ready for Tyler, which is not his name's Martin, but he's a Tyler. So, right. This camera's getting heavier and heavier and my arm's going. Police helicopter hovering right outside. Look, which is worrying because last time that happened was on Saturday, and there was an incident at one of the tube stations up the road where they're calling it a terrorist incident, and someone was threatening people with a machete and someone got stabbed. So that is worrying, because that's right over there, and we've got a park just behind us, and usually when they're up there that close, it generally means there's something happening over the park. So there's actually a school there as well, right on the edge of the park, and I'm kind of worried that something's happening at the school. I might turn the local radio on. Do we even have local radio anymore? Maybe I'll turn the London news on. Is it clever how that stays in one place like that? That is amazing. This is just the weirdest weather. It was just pouring down the rain, and let me try and get my tripod. It was pouring down the rain, and I was just going to turn the camera and say how quiet it is when the rain comes. It used to be really noisy on the old roof. You can barely hear that it's raining. And then all of a sudden the sun came out over there. So over there it's like really bright, sunny. And above it's just like really dark clouds. I've got the rain cloud over me. Oh, is that like impending doom or something? It's weird. Look, if this is the end of the world, I'll say my goodbyes now. You wouldn't believe it's only about 11:10. Look at that. What can you see through this? Just loads of clouds. Bit of rain. This is the rain cloud bloody conservatory men are here. Oh, I'm not going to video. Let me just move you in. Well, I've just gone to open the back so they can get through. But they're going to wait till it stops raining before they come in, because that's how they are. Oh, I look like death warmed up. In fact, I don't even look warmed up. So the men that came while I was painting the skirting have now gone. It's 3:15, 2:48. My meeting starts in 12 minutes. Do you want to come up? Come on then. And is there a dog down there? You see that doggy? Yeah. So reportedly, they're now finished. Reportedly, in theory, they're now finished with the conservatory. They put the vent caps in, they fixed the trim on the side, and supposedly we're going to get phoned up about 3:30 for the final payment. I've said wait till my husband gets home and he'll speak to you about it. It was quite good actually because the sun was shining right in and you could see just about everything that we don't like about it. Well, it's not that we don't like it, it's just that it's not the prestige finish that we was kind of promised. So I'm just about to have my and then someone's trying to talk to me on Messenger. Conference call, and it's 3 to 5:30 this meeting. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing for the next 2.5 hours. And when my husband gets in, he's going to be finishing the painting off there. Last coat. Such a long job. October. I was going to say October to November, December. I thought it was exactly the day that we started 2 months ago. Should have been finished 3 to 4 weeks after it started. Though I had a really nice chat with the guys today. They're the two that I like, because they were saying that this was a particularly, he didn't say stressful, challenging job. He said, 9 out of 10 times the jobs are all go perfectly, and he said unfortunately this is the 1 in 10 that hasn't gone smoothly. It seemed to everything. I think it's just because they're so busy and they're not here for a sustained period of time. They're here, they do a bit, they go away. They're running around all over the place trying to finish jobs left, right and centre. There's just been no continuity of getting the job done and finishing it. It's like putting the skirting in a rush and running out. So it's a shame. I must admit my skirting does look very nice because the sun's out now and it's shining on it and it's all nice and glossy. But that's done, at least, ready for hubby to finish the final colour on the walls, and then it's done. Doesn't matter. It's done. There's tiles going tomorrow, it's done. Furniture will be... tile is going to be Wednesday and Thursday, so furniture will go back in over the weekend, and then that's it. Big clean, decorate for Christmas. It'll be the 14th. My aunt and uncle in theory are coming over on the 14th. So hopefully it's going to be nice enough, tidy enough, clean enough, nice enough. What's the word? It's going to be presentable enough to invite them in and blah blah. So yeah, it's a shame. It is a shame. Right, conference call. Better go and get my phone and my tea. It does actually feel really weird to be doing work in a baseball cap and painting clothes and no bra. I usually sort of get readier on a work day, as in, I don't know, shower, nice clothes, ready for the day. Today, because I got up, showered, just put painted clothes on, I feel like, like when you're wearing your pyjamas and someone knocks at the door. They're not going to see me. Oh my God, I hope they're not going to see me. Please don't let it be a conference call where they see my face. Oh no, it won't be. I'll just cover the camera. think the painting is done. Not 100% sure in this light whether it'll need another coat in the morning. Someone's just laying on the floor finishing off. I've painted that, and that, and that, and that, and that. Husband did that, still got to do that. But it's, what's the time? That's the time. 7:45. 7:45. We've not had dinner yet. It looks alright. My other camera died. It won't write to the chip. Don't know what's going on with that. So I'm thinking I'm videoing this painting, and I ain't getting nothing. It looks really nice on the camera. It looks all clean and white and tealy blue. Oh, right, dinner.